Now our next task is to create a form using HTML. To create a form, firstly we will start form tag start, form tag close. Fine. Now for example, you want to give name, email, phone number. For that your input type goes to text. Remember this thing. To resize the box you will use size 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever size you want to give, you can mention it. Now you can put the name also, for example any name, because later on these values goes to database, and the value which in which value goes to database, that is name. So you can write it as first name. Fine guys, break. Now next is your password. For password your input type is password, because if we give text it will not in encrypted form. So if you want it in encrypted form, for that you will use input type password, and name you can use anything, pass. Now for unique selection we will use gender, either male or female. Fine guys, remember this thing. If you want unique selection 1 out of 2 or 3, for that your input type goes to radio. Name, you can take any name. Similarly here. Now you can check the output. For alignment, in next video we will create our form using label. Fine. So gender is your male or female. You put name Disha. You put any password 1 2 3 4. You can check, it comes in encrypted form. Now next is your hobbies. For multiple selection we will use hobbies. Internet surfing, music, cricket. Your input type goes to checkbox. Remember this thing, input type goes to checkbox. Internet surfing you can write in short. Music, and last is your cricket. Next, if you want drop down, for that you will use country. Select start. If you want to create drop down, you will use select option. Outside select and inside option comes. All countries come in options. Select start, select close. Now countries come in option. India, UK, US, Canada, UK, US, Canada, New Zealand, European countries and other Asian countries. UK, US, countries, Asian countries, and New Zealand. Now you can check your drop down option comes fine. Now last is your, if you want to create your message or text box message, text area start, text area close. So to resize box you will give rows and columns. And here comes MSG, you can write in short. You can mention the row and column whatever you want to create. I told you in next video using label you can get the proper alignment. Input type is equal to submit, and last is your input type is equal to reset. For example, if I'll write anything in form and I put the wrong password and I can reset it. But remember this thing guys, you have to close the form tag, otherwise your reset will not work. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel and keep practicing. Thank you.